Let's also talk about the markets and focus in on what we saw today, and we clocked in fresh record highs once again. But as you can see, the closing was absolutely flat under that 6,800 mark once again. 67.96 was where we shut shop for the Nifty, but the intraday chart would show you the volatility as well that creeped in, because it was a narrow but an extremely choppy session. That's what we saw today. In fact, in terms of volatility, the India VIX also spiked a fair bit today. And remember, it's been spiking for quite a while now, and it's at the highest level since September 2013, so 7% higher on closing. However, outperformance clearly once again coming in from the broader markets. Take a look at what the mid-cap and the small-cap index did, added on over 1% apiece. In terms of the big movers for the day, then let's focus in on those. For today, then, you had a Tata Power gaining the most on the index. That was up close to 4%, a BHEL as well as a BPCL. Those were the other big gainers. And in terms of the big losers for the day, then, Pharma was clearly on a sticky wicket. So you had a Dr. Reddy's, Sun Pharma, as well as Lupin losing out. If you talk about sectoral bias, however, CNX Realty, CNX Infra, CNX Energy, the high beta bucket clearly showed you the most traction in terms of the sectoral bias. The banking pack, however, wasn't really up to a whole lot. But the losers then, of course, were focused on the pharma space. And not just that, the tech pack as well suffered a fair bit. You saw a fair bit of pressure building up for the FMCG pocket as well. So IT and FMCG, the classic defenses, were clearly on a slippery slope. But we did see 10 stocks on the Nifty hitting fresh 52-week highs today. Just a quick run through those: Kotak Mahindra Bank, Ken, Tata Motors, NMDC, Ultratech, Ambuja, Reliance Industries, HDFC, a Bank of Baroda was some of the stocks on the Nifty hitting fresh highs. And high beta was clearly in focus. So take a look at what the Adani Group names were up to, and a stupendous move on Adani Enterprises. Even, a couple of those defensive names, the likes of BEL and BEML, were extremely buoyant.